Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install SQL Developer in your computer in a very simple way. For that, what you can do, we can simply open any of our browser and then simply come over into the search option and simply search for SQL Developer. After searching for it, you can simply see a suggestion called SQL Developer Download. If you click on that, then you're going to get the first website from SQL Developer Download from the oracle.com. You can simply click on that, and if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to find out different platform over here. If you want to download for your VS Code, you have a SQL Developer extension. Also, there is included JDK with the Windows 64-bit. You can simply see after for the 64-bit and 32-bit. So if you already downloaded JDK into your computer, you can simply go for this version. It's completely available for 32-bit and 64-bit. If you're using Mac and Linux for other platform, you can simply go for other options. But I didn't download and install Windows 64-bit and JDK 17 in my computer. That's why I'm going for this option over here. Simply click on download, and as you can see into the left side, the download has been started and it's about 555 MB. Take 1 or 2 minutes to install or download, and you can see the SQL Developer is rightly downloaded in our computer. And now here is a folder icon. If you click on that, we simply get the zip folder over here. You can see. So for extracting the zip folder, what we're going to do, we're going to select this folder and simply click on extract all and simply click extract. It will going to start the extracting in our computer, so it is going to take some of seconds to complete. And you can see that the extract is completed, and now we get our extract folder, SQL Developer. You can see if you click on that, and then we're going to find out the SQL Developer applications. If we click on it to install and simply minimize all the background app, and then we're going to get the Oracle SQL Developer is registering. After taking a loading, you can see there will be if you see the yes button is grayed out, then what you have to do, you just simply click on this button and then simply select system folder, select and click yes. It will going to begin the installation for your computer, Oracle SQL Developer, and you can see it's rightly opened Oracle SQL Developer in your computer. And now you can simply set your Oracle database connection. So this is a way to download and install Oracle SQL Developer for your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.